As a homeowner in Washington, you're likely always looking for ways to improve your property's value, comfort, and energy efficiency. One of the smartest investments you can make for your home is residential window installation. Whether you're looking to replace outdated windows, improve your home's insulation, or simply update your home's curb appeal, new windows offer a wide range of benefits that will pay off in the long run. In this article, we'll explore the reasons why residential window installation in Washington is not just a cosmetic upgrade, but a valuable investment that can enhance your home's performance, security, and overall value. Increased energy efficiency. Washington's weather can be quite unpredictable, with hot summers and cold winters, making energy efficiency a top priority for homeowners. Older windows, especially single-pane or poorly sealed windows, are notorious for allowing drafts and energy loss. This results in your heating and cooling systems working harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature, leading to higher energy bills. Energy-efficient windows. By installing energy-efficient windows, you can significantly reduce heat loss in the winter and keep unwanted heat out during the summer. Double or triple pane windows with low E-glass coatings provide better insulation, reducing the strain on your HVAC system and helping to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. As a result, your energy bills will decrease, and your home will be more comfortable year-round. Long-term savings. While the upfront cost of new windows might seem high, the long-term savings on your energy bills will quickly offset the initial investment. Many homeowners see a reduction in their energy costs by 10–25% after installing energy-efficient windows, making it a smart financial choice. Improved home comfort. Windows play a crucial role in your home's overall comfort. In Washington's climate, temperature fluctuations can lead to drafts and discomfort, particularly in older homes with poorly sealed or outdated windows. New windows not only improve energy efficiency but also increase your home's comfort by ensuring better temperature regulation. Better insulation. Modern windows with insulating features help to keep your home warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. This consistent indoor temperature reduces the need for frequent adjustments to your thermostat, creating a more comfortable environment for you and your family. Noise reduction. New windows, particularly those with double or triple pane construction, also help to block out external noise, which is especially beneficial if you live in a busy area or near a street. This added soundproofing improves your home's tranquility, allowing you to enjoy a quieter living space. Enhanced curb appeal and home value. Whether you're planning to sell your home or simply want to enjoy a refreshed look, window installation can dramatically improve your home's curb appeal. Outdated or damaged windows can make a home look tired and neglected, but new, modern windows can transform the appearance of your property. Modern window styles. There are many window styles to choose from, including bay windows, casement windows, double-hung windows, and more. Whether you prefer a traditional look or a sleek, contemporary style, new windows can complement your home's architecture and create a more polished, attractive exterior. Increased home value. In addition to enhancing curb appeal, new windows can increase your home's value. Energy-efficient windows, in particular, are a sought-after feature for homebuyers. They not only reduce energy costs but also provide comfort and security, making your home more appealing on the market. Many real estate experts estimate that homeowners can recoup up to 70–80% of the cost of new windows when they sell their home. Better home security. Windows are one of the most vulnerable entry points for burglars. Installing modern, secure windows can make it much harder for intruders to gain access to your home. New windows often come with advanced locking mechanisms and reinforced glass that provide additional protection for your family. Stronger glass and frames. Many new windows feature tempered glass or laminated glass, which is much harder to break compared to traditional window panes. Additionally, improved locking systems and reinforced frames offer added security, making it more difficult for burglars to force their way in. Impact windows. If you live in an area prone to severe weather or want added security against potential break-ins, impact-resistant windows are an excellent option. These windows are designed to withstand strong winds, flying debris, and other impacts, providing both storm protection and enhanced security. Low maintenance and durability. One of the major advantages of modern windows is their low maintenance nature. Unlike older wooden windows that require regular painting, caulking, and repair, today's windows are built to last with minimal upkeep. Durable materials. Many modern windows are made from vinyl, fiberglass, or composite materials, all of which are highly durable and resistant to wear and tear. These materials don't rot, warp, or peel like traditional wood, saving you time and money on maintenance. Long lifespan. Modern windows are built to last for decades. With proper installation, you can expect years of reliable performance from your new windows, ensuring that you won't need to worry about frequent repairs or replacements. Conclusion. Residential window installation in Washington is a smart investment that provides a wide range of benefits, from improved energy efficiency and enhanced home security to better comfort and curb appeal. Whether you're looking to reduce energy costs, increase your home's value, or simply enjoy a more comfortable living space, new windows are an upgrade that pays off in the long term. By choosing high-quality windows and professional installation, you can enjoy a home that's more energy efficient, secure, and visually appealing. Don't wait. Invest in residential window installation today and experience the difference it can make for your home.